guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Simone. I make fashion, beauty, and some lifestyle content here on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me as I attempt to turn some Walmart tank tops into super cute Y2K inspired like crop tops. So the first two tops I'm going to be making are super similar to the patch Brandy Melville inspired tank top that I made in my last DIY video. If you haven't seen that, you should probably check that out after this. But yeah, it's gonna be super similar to that tank top that I made. That tank top gave me very much like Y2K vibes, so I was like, why not like maximize that and make some more and style them into like early 2000s inspired outfits. So I'm going to be doing that. Then the third tank top I'm going to make is the super popular safety pin tank top. You've probably seen it all over Twitter and it gives me very much early 2000s vibes. I even found a picture of Aaliyah in this like white tank top that was like cut in the middle and it had like crosses, and I think I'm gonna like try to recreate her outfit with my safety pin tank top that's like kind of similar. So yeah, so you guys should definitely stay until the end to see the Y2K inspired outfits that I create. But yeah, so we're just gonna get into the video. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and I'm just gonna show you guys the tank tops and the patches that I'm gonna be using today. So the tank tops I got from Walmart. They were only $2.68. The first one is just this super basic white ribbed one. It's from the brand No Boundaries, and I got it in a size extra small. And then the second tank top is identical. It's just this super pretty like teal type of blue color. I don't know what kind of blue this is. It's like teal blue, sky blue, I don't know, but it's super pretty and it's from the same brand. And for the patches, it seemed like everyone else's Walmart had a better variety of patches than mine. Like everyone else can find these super aesthetic butterflies and flowers and just things that are super aesthetic and you can actually find in the store. But my Walmart was trash. They really didn't have that great of a selection. So these are the patches that I ended up getting. This first one is just this blue butterfly. It looks a little childish, but it definitely gives me Y2K vibes. Butterflies were really huge in the early 2000s. Mariah Carey was obsessed with butterflies at the time. And yeah, it has a little sequins, which is also like early 2000s. And then the second patch that I got is this little flower, and it low-key gives me like grandma vibes, but I think I can pull it off. It has a lot of colors in it, which is good for styling because that just gives me like more options of what I can style it with, because I can pull like the different colors out of it. And yeah, I don't know, but yeah.
Alright guys, so this is just me taking the patch out of the pack and sitting it onto the shirt. You can't see exactly what I'm doing in this part of the video, but I promise you, you'll be able to see much better in the coming clips. All I had to do was sit the patch onto the shirt and then place a piece of cloth on top of the patch and just iron over it, and then turn the shirt inside out and repeat the same steps.
Next we're going to be doing the safety pin top DIY. It's not as easy as the little simple patch iron-on DIY, but I don't think it's going to be too hard. All we're going to have to do is cut a slit down the middle of the shirt and then insert the safety pins. I don't actually need an ironing board for this DIY. I just decided to use the ironing board. Why do we keep driving by real slow? Like, I don't like this, like... Okay, anyway, but yeah, I don't actually need the ironing board for this. I just decided to keep the ironing board up because it's just like a good little workspace. So yeah, so this tank top is one of those little tank tops that just come in the 3-pack. Hanes, I actually got it from the little boy section, but I just got it in a size medium. And the safety pins The safety pins I just got out of like the little arts and crafts sewing type of section in Walmart. Can't remember how much it cost, but it wasn't too bad. I think there's like 30 in here.
So busy, but I've been thinking about what I wanna do with you. I know that my guys have been talking about the way I do what I do. Heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. I know you're the one I wanna give it to. Can see you want me too. Now it's me and me. I've been waiting, think I wanna make that move. Baby, tell me if you like it, tell me, yeah. I've been waiting, think I wanna make that move. Baby, tell me how you like it. I was waiting for you to tell me you were ready. You know what to do if only you would let me. As long as you're cool with it, treat you right. Here is where you wanna be. I know the other guys have been talking about the way I do. Alright guys, so that is going to conclude my video for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.